let's try and be a bit more. Yeah, well, fine. The old school. It's the PSP. Well, it's the PSP game on the Vita, so.
Much better. The sun is murder today. I swear, Clank, I'm done with all that hero stuff. Now, let somebody else save the universe. I need a little me time.
If there is trouble, then it is our duty to ensure that...
What'd you do that for? Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm taking pictures for my school project. I'm doing a report on heroes, and I recognize you from the newspaper. You're Ratchet, right?
Well, I see you have a knack for recognizing greatness.
I was wondering if it would be possible to get some pictures of you doing some heroic action.
Well, I would, but there's really not much heroic work to do around here. Oh, I can lift Clank over my head, though. How about that?
I was thinking maybe you could fight some robots or something. I know where you can find them.
I do have a massage scheduled in 15 minutes, but... Oh, what the heck. I could use a bit of exercise. Come on, buddy. Let's put on a good show for our little reporter here.
I am going to regret this.
Alright. Oh my word, look at this. Ugh. Oh, he's got his wrench. Alright, let's... Oh, like... Alright, that's how you do it. Alright. Alright. Oh, stop it. It operates the... Right. It's the shoulder buttons that has the camera control. Alright. Well... Really? Acid glove, hyper shot. Alright, here we go. Alright, jumping is... to keep her away from the kid.
Press the L button and R button at the same time to crouch. Press the X button while crouching to do a high jump.
Thank you. Really? Old-time robots. Is it Dr. Nefarious out again?
Press L button and R button and the X button while running to do a long jump. Press L button
Stop
and press
reminding
select to enter first person mode. Aim and fire the target on the gate to open it. marathon mode.
Will you
Aim and
stop
fire the
reminding me,
target on the
please?
gate to open it.
Alright, here we go. There we go. There we go. Back here. Oh. And that's that. Oh.
Wow, that was super. I can't wait to show everyone the pictures.
Quark? Really?
Clank! What a coincidence! What are you doing here?
I am trailing Ratchet and Clank to see what they are doing, so I can join in on their next adventure.
Hey, that's what I'm doing. No, wait.
Do you not have somewhere else to go? Home to your family, perhaps?
Hey, Cork. Nice hat. Sorry, Cork. What? Was that your mother's hat or something? Seriously, dude. It's just a hat.
It's not that. It's my mother and father. I never knew my family. I was given up for adoption as a baby and was raised by monkeys.
Okay. Thanks for sharing.
Perhaps you should attempt to find your real parents.
There she is. Get her.
What? Oh, now they're after the kid. That's a bit much for a house.
Looks like I'm gonna be late for my massage. Let's go.
Alright. Continue point. Great. Give me a moment. Oh, poo. This is the only old school one we can. Oh, jeez! Yeah, just leave. Thank you. You just die. Thank you.
You can run up magnetic surfaces using your gravity boots. Try walking up that wall.
Thanks.
If you need more ammunition, try purchasing it at a Gadgetron vendor.
Ew. Well, that was more potency than I thought, but the problem is, it's very... Right. Alright. Oh, jeez. Oh. Nice. Leveled up.
Use the directional buttons to make Ratchet strafe in any direction.
Damn it. Oh, jeez. Gloves. The wire fire gloves. Oh, jeez, crabs. Alright. That's do a lot to go through. Ow. Ow. I'm not kidding. I wish. Problem is, not enough. Alright, never mind, it doesn't work. Nope, okay. You not be a jerk? Wow. Fine. Can't get a gun. good. Stop reminding me. It didn't take very long.
If you'd like to strafe with the analog stick, you may set this option in the camera and controls menu of the options screen.
It doesn't look that bad for a PS2 game. Do you mind? Dead. Ah. Skill points. We'll save and then we'll get off. Alright, that's it. We're done. See you next time for more Ratchet Clank. Size matters. Bye.